In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make video on Shopify Play automatically. We'll walk through the exact path inside your Shopify admin, add a video to your theme, and turn on autoplay so it starts playing the moment the page loads. Start by opening your Shopify admin. Once you're in, look at the left-hand menu and select Online Store. This is where all of your storefront settings live. From there, click Themes to see the theme you currently have published and any others you've installed. Next, open the theme editor. Depending on your theme, this may appear as Edit Theme or Customize. Click it to launch the visual editor. You'll see a live preview of your store on the right and a sidebar on the left where you can manage sections and blocks. Decide where you want the video to appear. In the left sidebar, navigate to the template or section where the video should live, such as your home page or a specific page layout. Under that template's content, select Add Block. This is how you insert new elements without touching code, keeping the process simple and consistent across themes. From the list of block types, choose Video. This ensures the block has the right settings for media playback. You'll now see options to add your media. You can upload a video file directly to Shopify, which is great for full control and minimal branding, or paste a YouTube or Vimeo link if you prefer hosting externally. If you upload a file, an MP4 with H.264 encoding is a reliable choice. Keep file sizes reasonable for faster load times and consider adding a cover image for a polished first frame. With the video in place, enable autoplay in the block settings. Most modern browsers allow autoplay only when the video is muted, so if you see a mute option, turn it on to ensure consistent behavior across devices. You can also leave sound off by default for accessibility and a smoother first impression, letting viewers unmute if they want to listen. Note that some mobile browsers further restrict autoplay with sound, so muting helps your video start reliably. When everything looks right, click Save to apply your changes. Preview the page to confirm the video starts automatically and appears in the correct spot. If it doesn't autoplay, double check that you selected the correct template, that the block is visible, and that the video is muted if required by your browser. That's it, your Shopify video now plays automatically, creating an engaging, hands-free experience for your visitors from the moment they land.